Imagine this, a planet called Decatur, with radically different biomes in the day and night. During the day, most of the surface of the planet is covered in a lush, humid rainforest, flourishing with brightly colored flowers and alien life forms. When the sun sets, the moisture-rich atmosphere rapidly freezes, encasing the jungle in a layer of ice. The creatures on Decatur have adapted to this unique weather cycle, and most enter nocturnal hibernation until the sun rises again. The character StonerSteve visits this planet in Phantom of the Back Rooms, my ebook now available on Amazon. Today, we are talking about world building. But before we get started, please like and subscribe. To bring the world of Decatur to life, I described it to ChatGPT, an AI chatbot. I asked ChatGPT to help create a scene in which the main characters of the book are racing the setting sun as the rainforest freezes behind them. The chatbot generated an exciting sequence with characters I created and a world I imagined. Once edited, this sequence became part of a chapter in the book. AI is a powerful tool for writers when you know how to use it, especially for world building. Here are some tips for you to get the most out of an AI chatbot. The AI we have today isn't like the artificial intelligence that you see in movies. In fact, the name artificial intelligence isn't really a good descriptor of what we have. Our AI is similar to an interactive search engine that remixes what it finds. It's an advanced computer program that's still being developed. AI can't write a whole book for you, at least not one that will be coherent and error-free. It also can't write a good research paper. To get the most out of a chatbot, break down your writing process. I like to have a research and brainstorming phase in which I develop the characters, the places, and the general synopsis of the story. Then I write a first draft. Some parts of this draft will be rough and need several revisions, but other parts may be almost finished. During the revisions, I expand certain scenes or add missing details. Today's video is brought to you by Rise of KillerClaw, now available on Amazon. You can think of AI as a personal assistant who can help with every step of your writing process. During the brainstorming phase, I asked ChatGPT to generate character names and descriptions of fictional worlds. An AI chatbot can also generate synopsis ideas if you want a writing prompt for your story. During the writing phase, I sometimes ask ChatGPT to help expand a scene by adding more details. For some reason, I have always struggled with creating dialogue for my characters, and ChatGPT helps by generating conversation ideas. Rarely, if ever, do I get a whole idea or conversation back from an AI chatbot that fits everything I need or want. Part of my creative process now involves taking the character or location ideas generated by AI and rewriting them. Expect to edit any text generated by AI. You will want to look for readability issues, grammatical inconsistencies, and overused words. You should always take responsibility for anything with your name on it. If you choose to use unedited AI-generated text, I would strongly suggest running it through an online plagiarism checker. There are several available for free with ads. Just use a search engine to find them. What do you think? Have you started using AI as a tool to help with your writing process? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.